Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the top 5 perfect juices for good sleep. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Do you struggle with sleep at night, or were you diagnosed with a sleep disorder? Studies indicate that nearly over 60 million Americans struggle with sleep disorders. The optimal recommended sleep amount is 8 hours a day. The best way to solve your sleep disorder is to address the issue at its core, the internal body. If your body is deprived of sleep, it can lead to other chemical dysfunction that influences your hormonal levels. For instance, sleep deprivation is directly linked with increased stress and adrenaline levels. There is a stress chemical called cortisol which serves as a defense mechanism. This is what keeps us alive from predators by keeping us alert. The issue is that when the body creates an excess of cortisol, it can cause you to stay alert at night and lead to sleep disorders. According to reports, the best way to decrease the cortisol stress chemical is to detoxify and flush it out of your body. In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you 5 juice recipes that are the main alternatives to sleeping medication. These nutritious recipes contain all the detoxification properties you need. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 5. Vitamin C Smoothie. This juice has several healthy ingredients which make it a great choice for a night drink. Banana, pineapple, kale, and peanut butter are the things you need for making this recipe. As it is high in protein, it will keep you full and prevent you from having junk foods, so you can drink it several hours before sleep. Even if you do not like kale's taste, this smoothie will change your mind. For making this smoothie, you should start with kales. Chunk their leaves, then add 1 or 2 cups of banana and almond milk, then add 2 handfuls of kales. Try frozen bananas and add at least 2 bananas to cover the kale's taste as well as to give your smoothie a creamy tissue. And this is the time to add the last and the most important ingredient, which is pineapple. Pineapple is high in vitamin C, and you will get your daily need for vitamin C with this juice. If you want to, you can add lemon juice to it. Mix all the ingredients and serve them for yourself. Number 4. Red juice. Having a delicious taste is not the only good point about pomegranate juice. It is refreshing and super healthy as well as low in calories. According to a study that has been done on mice, pomegranate juice also blocked weight gain. Some other studies have been proven that pomegranate juice prevents blood sugar spikes. As it is rich in antioxidants, helps your body in the process of detoxification, which leads you to have better sleep. To make this delicious recipe, you need 2 pomegranates, 1 or 2 handfuls of celery, and that's it. Your healthy and tasty juice is ready. Number 3. Green juice. This homemade green juice not only gives you a night of better sleep, but also provides you glowing skin with a healthier body, and a more powerful immune system that can help you to fight off the viruses around you. What you need for this juice are apples, celery, and kale leaves. If you feel apprehensive about drinking celery, you can add more apples to your juice, and reduce the amount of celery. While you are making it for the first time, you can slowly add veggies to the ingredients, to see how much of them feels tasty to you. Vitamin C enhances the detoxification process, vitamin K helps you to reduce your stress levels and has a positive effect on your brain and many parts of the body. And eventually, lots of water in this juice maintains your body hydrated. Blend all the ingredients together and keep in mind that don't store it in the fridge for days, it will lose its vitamins. Number 2. Carrot juice. Beet, carrots, green apple, ginger, and grapefruit are the 5 components of this juice. This juice is a wonderful health helper because of its high quality properties. Ginger contains a wide range of vitamins such as vitamin C and B, minerals like iron, calcium, and phosphorus. This spice has an anti-inflammatory compound known as phenols which reduces pain. Ginger root is also high in antioxidants and helps you to have a better sleep. As a result, all these substances made ginger a super nutritious food with numerous benefits for the body and especially for the brain. To do this recipe, you need 1 beetroot, 3 carrots, 1 ginger, 2 green apples, 1 blood orange, 1 grapefruit. Mix all the ingredients together. You can also add black salt to your juice if you like its taste. These veggies play an important role in fighting against toxins that have been produced by having high stress levels. This juice is packed with different varieties of vitamins such as vitamin C, A, and E as well as iron and calcium. Number 1. Citrus juice. Citruses are rich in vitamins, and particularly in vitamin C. This is a great helper for the brain and your mental health. Daily intake of vitamin C will keep you away from most of the infections and virus-caused diseases and flushes out the toxins. The reason is vitamin C has antioxidant properties that protect the healthy cells against free radicals and any substances that damage the body. The body needs a determined amount of vitamin C per day. The wonderful fact about citrus juice is that it contains more than enough of the daily recommended intake of vitamin C. It has been both clinically and experimentally proven that vitamin C in citruses can reduce the symptoms of the common cold and flu. You can make citrus juice by mixing 2 oranges, 1 grapefruit, and 1 lemon juice. You can add a tablespoon of honey if you want to balance its sour taste. Eating healthy is a choice that should be made by everyone because of the benefits it provides to your body. If you eat well and have your regular exercises, you take the 2 most important steps for having a long, healthy life. Having proper sleep is one of the most important parts of everyone's life. All of us should spend 6-8 hours sleep per day. That's a lot. Do not ignore sleep disorders because it has many effects on your day and your health. All the recipes we mentioned in this video are optional, and if you do not like one ingredient, you can change it to what you like. Do you know more recipes for having a better sleep? Have you ever tried the juices we mentioned in this video? Feel free to share your ideas and experience with us in the comments section below. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.